How you doing, guys? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at an absolutely gorgeous 67 GTO. This is a clean California car. It's painted tiger gold. Beautiful, beautiful car. Super straight down the sides. All the chrome stainless. Everything on this car is beautiful. Bumpers have been re-chromed. Rocker trim, everything on this car is very, very nice. Got the Rally 2s, all the correct lugs and centers. Fighting the weather a little bit here today. A little chilly and clouds keep coming and going. See how nice and straight this car is down the sides. It's just very, very nice car. The paint is just super slick. The metallic in this paint is just perfect. This car is all the original panels. You can see how clean and nice the doors are. Dash is real good condition. Got the tiger tail there, so when you go to a shows, you throw the tiger tail out. Got the factory jack and the spare. Got a retrofit Pontiac radio, AM FM stereo. Got the his and her shifter. And you can just see how clean this car is. Super, super solid car. Been nicely updated with front disc brakes. This car has factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. It's got date correct 400 with your 670 heads. Thing fires right up. Beautiful, beautiful running car. Super, super nice car, guys. These GTOs, true GTOs, are getting extremely hard to find. And to find one that's this nice, it's got a set of Magnaflow mufflers, stainless mufflers on it. Beautiful car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day.